Hello guys and girls, welcome back to RoboThoughts, the most excellent series Zero to Hero Python coding on Jetson Nano. Guys, we are on lesson number 66 and I am going to show you how to loop into the tuple. It's almost the same way how you looped into the list. That's how we are going to do it, but slightly different though. Alright guys, so let me log into my Jetson Nano. I have already logged in. This is my terminal. Let me open the existing file. Nano tuple or tuple, however you call it, .py. Alright, and this is our previous example. This is the code which we created last time. Let me delete it. Alright, now let's say this tuple equals double quote. First you need to open a bracket with a round bracket, double quote, say dog, comma. First you need to put a double quote, open it and close it with a double quote. Alright guys, and then a separator, comma. A dog and then a double quote, cat, and close with a double quote, comma, and then open another value, let's say dog, cat, and then I don't know man what animal, say camel. Alright, camel. Let's close the bracket. Now let's create a loop. How do you create? For, I am going to create a for loop for x in this tuple, all right, and then colon, okay, for x in this tuple, indentation, do not forget the indentation, print x. Let's run this program guys. Control O to save, enter, Control X to exit. Let me open this Python file, python3 tuple.py. Can you see that? It's looping one below another, dog, cat, camel. Instead of a series, it's just looping in. So it's guys, it's almost same like a list. There's not much of difference. But that's the way it works, right? We will be using more of a tuple and list combination together in the future lessons. I'm going to, once we get into our projects, building a project using some sensor values in Jetson Nano GPIO pins, and extract those values and send that information to say your Arduino to drive something else. That's where these things will come into picture. That's going to be very interesting. Alright guys, do just give me a like and a thumbs up. I am going to get back to you soon in the next video. Bye bye.